We are always looking for some kind of assistance to ask all kind of questions, make plans, and carry out a variety of useful tasks. Google Assistant is one such smart assistant that is integrated with variety of services and allows you to accomplish many tasks using voice commands. The voice assistant speaks to you and answers your questions whenever you say the phrase, "Okay Google, let me assist you," to learn and understand how Google Assistant works. The purpose of Google Assistant is to use voice controlled commands and get assistance to perform variety of tasks. To open Google Assistant in your mobile, you have to simply tap on the circle at the center. Okay Google.
That's me. How can I help?
I would like to know about mscit centers near me.
I found a few places within 18.1 kilometers.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thus, Google Assistant is a new way to interact with Google. The assistant responds to the words and displays the information accordingly. It really becomes useful when you explore the ways it connects to the apps and services on your device. So, when are you getting your own Google Assistant for your next task?
Google Assistant, remembering things. How often do you forget the exact place of the things you kept it last? Well, I face this more than often, but Google Assistant, being a smart assistant, can help me remember it. Are you curious to know how this works? Well, just wake the Google Assistant with, "Okay Google."
Alright, what can I do for you?
And now, just speak the thing you wanted to remember, with a prefix of remember that. Let's see how.
Remember that I have kept my car keys in the cupboard.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Remember that I have given my passport to my father.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Well, and the obedient assistant remembers it. So on and so forth, you can just load your assistant with the things that you want to remember. Now, when you want to know what was to be remembered, just ask the assistant, "What do you remember?" And the assistant reads out the list.
What do you remember?
Here's what you told me.
Well, as you complete your tasks or done with remembering some certain thing, you can free your Google Assistant from it by saying, just mind one thing, the forget sentence should be specific enough.
Forget what I told you about my passport.
Alright, I have given my passport to my father. Are you sure you would like me to forget this memory?
Yes.
Done, it's forgotten.
What do you remember now?
I remember you told me.
Isn't this the smartest way to go about your chores? I'm sure it will help you too. It has helped me save a lot of time maintaining a list of things to remember and do.
Alexa, how are you doing today?
I'm great, I hope you are too.
Alexa, how many centimeters in 10 inches?
10 inches is 25.4 centimeters.
Alexa, what's the weather like?
Currently, in Pune it's 31 degrees with cloudy skies. Today, you can expect lots of clouds with a high of 31 degrees and a low of 18 degrees.
Alexa, play the first song from my playlist.
Hindi chart busters from Sawan.
Doesn't it sound like a regular conversation between two people? Yes, it is a conversation. Alright, but one of the people involved is a virtual person. Say hello to Alexa, Amazon's personal digital assistant. The things that Alexa can do is beyond everyone's imagination, using nothing but the sound of your voice. You can play music, search the web, create to-do and shopping list, shop online, get instant weather reports and control smart home gadgets. Alexa is built into devices such as Amazon Echo and Echo Dot. These are the smart speakers with built-in microphones. Once the initial settings are done, you can use your device anywhere in your home as long as it is in range of the Wi-Fi signal. Say the magic word Alexa to your device to get Alexa to wake up and obey your commands. Alexa is very intelligent. If you want her to call for a pizza, Alexa will remember your previous order and ask you whether you want a repeat or wish to change the order. Ask her, "Alexa, where were you born?" and she will respond,
I'm from Amazon headquarters in Seattle, Washington.
"Really smart, because that's where Alexa was created." If you find Alexa's answer too detailed, all you need to do is say, "Alexa, stop," and she will keep quiet. Not only can Alexa help you get your jobs done, she can be a lot of fun. You can ask her all kinds of questions and she will come up with sensible answers. For example, if you pose a question like, "Alexa, are you lying to me?" she will smartly answer,
I always try to tell the truth. I'm not always right, but I don't lie.
"Wow." If you ask something she cannot make sense of, for example, "Alexa, tea, blue, in color, hot," she will still give a sensible reply, such as,
Sorry, I don't know that one.
What a polite assistant. Hope you enjoyed your introduction to Alexa.
Using Kindle for downloading ebooks. Do you know what the Kindle app is all about? Well, the Kindle app was launched by Amazon in 2007, along with the Kindle ebook reader device they brought to the market. Since then, the Kindle app has been very popular. The specialty of the Kindle app is that now it is not only restricted to the Kindle device, but can be accessed as a separate app installed from the Google Play Store on your smartphone. Whether it is a tab, a smartphone, or a Kindle device, this app helps to sync all your books on the app across all devices. That way, you can keep reading the book on any device of your choice at any time. Whether you are a fan of detective stories, graphic novels, or non-fiction books, you will get it all on the Kindle app. While some books have to be bought on their Amazon website in the Kindle version, others can be downloaded into your Kindle-enabled device for free. Let's find out how we can download the Kindle app on our smartphone and start using it. Go to the Google Play Store, enter Amazon Kindle into the search bar. Tap on the app when it appears on your screen. Tap on Install. Wait for a few seconds while it installs the app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. It will ask you to sign in. If you don't have an account on Amazon, then you can create one by tapping on the Create a new Amazon account button below. If you already have an account, you can use your email ID or mobile number and your Amazon password to sign into the app. Tap on Sign in. Now this ID and password will work on any device that might have the Kindle app installed like your tab, computer or any other smartphone. That's it. Now you can see the options at the bottom of your screen. Home, library, store and more. For downloading books into your Kindle library, tap on the store option. Here you will see so many featured options to choose from. If you have an Amazon Prime membership, you can also read many books for free. Otherwise, you can tap on any book that you would like to buy and tap on the buy now option. Do remember to check out the download sample option for each ebook. That way, you can download a free sample for the first few pages from an ebook into your device and get an idea about whether or not you would like to buy and read it. Once you buy a book, it will be available for reading on your Kindle app from any device that has the app installed. What are you waiting for? Give yourself a wonderful reading time. Exploring various features of the Kindle app. Now that you know how to download the Kindle app and your favorite ebooks on it, let's find out about some of the other amazing features that Kindle offers. Let's do it hands-on. On the app, tap on an ebook to open it. Once it loads the ebook successfully, it will open up on your screen. Tap on the screen to minimize the view a little. Now, you will get to see a lot of Kindle options at the top and bottom of the smartphone screen. All these are there to make your reading time super fun and easy. The bottom slider shows you where you are located in the book currently and what percentage of it you have completed reading. You can also change the viewing mode from single page view to multiple page view from the bottom left corner dotted square option. Now, tap on the table of contents option. From here, you can navigate through the book to any location directly. Tap on the option, go to the beginning, and it will take you to the beginning of the ebook. Cool, isn't it? Tap on the search icon and enter any word or character that you would like to look up in that particular ebook. It will show you all the places in the ebook where that word or character has appeared. Isn't that something? Next, you have the notebook option, where you can see whatever notes you have made and highlights you have marked in the text throughout the ebook. You can also tap on the add note option to add a new note for this ebook. Do try it. Now, tap on the back arrow to return to the ebook page. Here, we have the font option. Well, it doesn't just give you options to change the font style, but also offers you options like the layout, themes, and more. Under more, you get features like the reading ruler, which helps in guided reading by placing a colored ruler over the text. Here, you can also set the mode of your reading progress, that is, how you would like to be shown where you are in the ebook or how much of it you have completed reading. We have also features here like word-wise, visible clock, turn pages with volume control, etc. Under each such feature, you will find what that feature actually does. How amazing is that? Now, let's get back to the ebook page again. Next, you have the bookmark icon. For paperback books, we have physical bookmarks, right? What do we do when we are reading an ebook? Well, this bookmark option helps you mark the page till which you have read just with a tap. When you get back to reading from that point, just tap the bookmark icon again to turn it off. If you tap on the three dots or the menu option, then you will find various other useful options. These include About this book, which takes you to a short summary of the ebook you are reading. Sync to furthest page read. That takes you to the page till which you read last, maybe on some other device like another smartphone or a tab. Go to page or location, from where you can go directly to any location in the book. Other features shown here include flashcards, word runner, popular highlights, etc. Do give this app a try and have a great time reading. Downloading free ebooks and audiobooks. Sometimes when you feel like reading a good ebook, it is not always necessary that you buy it. Surprised to hear that? We actually have truckloads of ebooks nowadays available for free download onto your digital devices like tab, computer, and smartphone. Let's get to know about some such apps and websites from where we can download free ebooks and read them. However, always remember that not all websites that offer such free options to you are safe or secure. So, to keep your device virus and malware free or free from any other cybersecurity threats, you should always limit your navigation to well-known sites. You can also install such threat detector apps or antivirus software on your devices. These will let you know about any immediate threat to your device. Now that we are clear on that idea, let's move ahead to see what apps and websites we can download free ebooks from. Freeebooks.net. This is a website from which you can download free ebooks for your computer. Go to their website, click on the Join Free option. Under the Sign Up tab, enter your email ID and click Complete your sign up. On the welcome window, it will show you various features it can provide you for a paid membership. For now, we will scroll down and click on the option or continue with your free membership. Click No Thanks. Next, you will have to check your email account to activate this free membership. In your inbox, go to the relevant mail. In this mail itself, they give you a summary of their services and offers. Click on the given link to access your free ebooks. Once done, you will have to provide your first name, set a password, and confirm it by entering it again. Click Update. Next, you will be taken to the home page again. On this site, you can get both academic books as well as storybooks in the ebook format. Simply start by searching for your favorite title or author from the search bar on the home page. Happy reading! Google Play Books. This is a wonderful smartphone-friendly app where you can read thousands of books from different categories. Download the app from the Google Play Store for free. Click Get Started. Now, you are all set to search for your desired titles or authors. And scroll through the ebooks already on the screen. Do you want to hear another amazing feature it offers? Audiobooks. These are books that you can listen to, much like hearing a story. You can access many audiobooks listed in this app from the Audiobooks tab. Some other apps for free ebooks access include Pratilipi, Wattpad, Nook, and Altico Book Reader. Audiobooks. Like we have already learned, audiobooks are those that we listen to instead of reading. Sometimes we may be busy painting or drawing or maybe doing some household work and we wish to listen to stories or gain knowledge on the go. Now, there are many apps that actually do that. The most popular ones are Audible and Storytel. Both are paid apps, but both come with free trials for some particular period of time. All these audiobook apps are available for download on the Google Play Store. Now have fun listening to great stories.
In order to start typing correctly, it's important to know where your fingers should rest on the keyboard when they are not actively typing a letter. To maximize the range your two hands can reach, they should be positioned in the middle of the keyboard. Your left fingers should be resting on the letters A, S, D, and F, and your right fingers should be resting on the keys J, K, L, and semicolon. Both your thumbs should be resting on the spacebar, the long key in the lower center of the keyboard. This set of 8 keys is known as the home row. It's very important to remember this position because every time you type a letter, the finger that was used should move back to the home row. On most keyboards, the F and J keys have a slight bump in the form of a raised bar or dot on top, so your index fingers can easily tell when they are back on the home row. Does your keyboard have these bumps? If so, close your eyes and try to position your index fingers on them. Then position the other 6 fingers in their home row positions as well. The spacebar is used to put spaces between words and sentences. With your thumbs resting here, no matter which hand is used to type the last letter, you can use the thumb from the opposite hand to press it. Some people prefer to type the spacebar with the same thumb every time, and that's okay. The Enter key is one of the most important keys on the board. In a word processor, it creates another line when you hit it, but it has other functions such as executing a command in the same way a mouse click does. The right little finger is used for this key. So each of the 8 home row keys is pressed with a different finger. Let's press the first 4 keys and then the next 4 with a space in between. A, S, D, F, then press space. Now J, K, L, semicolon. Now press enter and type the same letters again.
Hello, today we are going to learn how to make coupon design in Microsoft Office. As we know, coupon is the best way to credit offers or non-discounted products. You can design your own coupon to engage more audience for your business. So let's get started. Go to the Chrome, search here for coupon. Now you can see you will get so many options here. I will choose this one. You can directly open it in your browser. For this, you will require sign in. I have already signed in here, so my document is auto-saved named as document 11. I rename it to coupon design. It will be saved. You can see, now, here is our ready-made template. You can edit it in your own ways. You can change the font color. You can reduce the size. You can also edit this text. You can insert any image whichever you want. So, I will rename it as New Year Offer. I will reduce the size till 36. Now you can see here the color palette. I will change to this. I will edit this text also, which is suitable for my requirement. Enjoy your first New Year shopping with our special coupon, valid till 27th. Yes, now I can change the font and the color also. I can change the font to this. I can also change the color. I can also change this font. I will change this to Times New Roman. Yes, it's bold and you can whatever looks good. I will also increase the darkness 1 shade for this. From here, which will be this one. Yes, now you can insert any image here. Picture, this device. I have already downloaded the PNG image online, so I'm inserting this directly here. You can say this is more better than previous one. Now you can crop this image if you want. But I don't need to crop this, so it's okay. It's perfectly suitable. So now you can hover here for repositioning or scaling the image. Before finalizing the coupon, we should finally check and resolve all the mistakes. Yes, so here you can see our template design is ready. It's the best way to use these options. You can also create this coupon design online on various platforms such as Canva, Freepik, and so on.
Friends, do you know, now you can practice and create the exact output for the case study that you have learned just now, and that too from the comfort of your own home with Office 365. You can get the login that you will require for this from your learning facilitator or center coordinator, madam or sir. Just visit www.office.com and use that login and password to get started with it.
In previous sessions, you have learned about Notepad and WordPad. Would you like to upgrade to featured versions to perform greater tasks? You will soon. The Microsoft Office 2013 and Microsoft Office 365 are two suites which can be used to enter and save lengthy data, make beautiful presentations, write and design anything like a greeting card, send e-letters and emails, etc. To your surprise, you can use Microsoft Office 365 on a desktop as well as in your smartphone to practice at home. Isn't that something innovative? After learning about computers and the useful software applications, you will explore how to make use of basic and common features present in both Microsoft Office 2013 and as well as Office 365 online. Let's start learning.
Alright friends, so once you have got the login ID and password for office.com, let me show you how to go and access Word, Excel and PowerPoint. For that, as you know, we'll go to www.office.com and now here, click on the sign in button. You are supposed to put the login ID in the form of email here. Once you have put the login ID in the form of email here, click on next. Now enter the password here. Click on the sign in here. If it is the first time that this login ID is accessing Office 365, it will ask to update your password here. Just update it. Click on the sign in here again. And now here you are. You now have access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook and various other offerings that Office 365 suite gives. Let's see, start with Word. See here, you will see various templates that Office 365 offers, especially for Word. If you don't want any of the templates, click on the new blank document. Click over it and see your Word document in Office 365 is there with you. You'll see the interface is very similar to MS Word that you access installed in your machine. There might be a few additional tools here like dictate or putting some ideas, but basically this is the same Word document that you can work on your computer. So while you are working with this, where you can actually save this document,
For that, you can simply go to File and click on Save As. You can download a copy of the document that you have already been working upon. You can download its PDF. Also, you can download an ODT, that is an open document file, which also works with OpenOffice. If you want, you can simply share it with various people you want to have. Also, you will see a button called Open in Desktop app. So whenever you are logged into any other machine and there you get a installed MS Word version, you can simply open this document in that desktop app. It's very simple, isn't it? And that's how you can work with Word. Now let's get back. Click on this list of Microsoft services, and from here you can simply switch to any other application like Excel. Also, you will notice in Word or even in Excel, there is an option called Upload and Open. What you can do is, you can simply select any Excel sheet that you want to open in Office 365 and click on Open. It will get uploaded to OneDrive. And now that document will be opened in Microsoft Office 365. Isn't it amazing? In the similar way, you can again go to the list and can open PowerPoint. And similarly, very easily, you can create amazing presentations using PowerPoint and Office 365. So friends, what are you waiting for? Just avail the login and password and go ahead with it. Happy learning. Friends, you might know how to access Office 365 using a laptop browser. But if you are having only your mobile in your hand, how will you access that? It's very easy. For that, install Chrome browser on your mobile, open it, and here, let's search for office.com. Now here, you have to sign using the login ID and password that your center sir or madam has given you. Now enter the password. If it's your first time that you are signing into that account, then it might ask you to reset the password. Here it won't ask because I have already reset it. And now see here, you can see all the cloud applications from Office, that is MS Office, are visible here. Now you're going to access each of the application in the form of its individual app. Like for example, I'm going to access Word here. Now see here, the document looks exactly same like how it would look on your computer. Let me type something here. And here you will see almost same options that you would find in MS Word installed on your computer. See here in the Home tab, you will find bold, italic, text highlighting, clear formatting, bullets, numbering, paragraph formatting, and various styles. Also, clicking over here, you can find out various other tabs like Insert, where you can insert a table, a picture, you can insert various shapes. Let me insert a shape here. Just zoom out a little bit with pinch. See in the Review tab, this menu comes just with the left swipe. And now see here, you can see various options of saving and printing the document. And here in the Office applications, if you click, you will find access to other Office applications like Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, etc. So now that you have explored this, I'm sure you'll definitely access Office 365 on your mobile and will start working. Happy learning.
Did you enjoy learning Word 2013? Great! As Microsoft Office 365 Online is a web-based platform, you will see minute differences in the placement of the options and their respective icons. For example, you will be able to reset and apply page layout as per the output you are planning for. In the Word 365 version, you will notice the options to format or enhance the text like font size, font type, bold, italics, bullets, etc. are not grouped, but they are still available to use. Check out the More Options command to adjust the paragraph spacing and adjust the indentation. You can undo and redo the changes made in your documents as well. Also, functions like pressing the Tab key on your keyboard to organize the text will work the same in Word 365. This means that the keyboard commands and shortcut keys like copy or cut and paste will also work the same. With simplified sharing and real-time typing, you can also ask your friend to become co-author to the document. This can make working on the same project for your school or company very easy. Though Microsoft Word 2013 offers the ultimate designing commands like inserting tables, text boxes, and shapes, Word 365 Online will help you in practicing precise commands related to the text and layout. You will be exploring more of such commands in other apps of 365 version like Excel and PowerPoint. If you are still not able to find an option to use, you can simply ask Word where it is and get immediate search results. Practice makes perfect. We often visit new places. The challenging part at such new places is different people speak different languages. As a result, communication in local language can be a struggle while traveling. Here, the Google Translate app comes handy as it instantly translates your speech or text to the desired language. It also displays the phonetic pronunciation text of the translated language to get a better understanding. Google Translate will also pronounce the words that will help us refrain from the pronunciation errors. Let us see how to use the Google Translate app to communicate in different languages. The purpose of Google Translate app is to translate any language to the desired language. First, let's install the app on our mobile. To do so, we will tap on Google Play Store and then we will enter Google Translate. And then tap on Install. Please wait till the app downloads and gets installed. You can see that the app is installed on our mobile. We can directly tap on Open, or else we can go back and tap on the icon to open it. Let's tap on Back. Yes, you can see the Google Translate icon on our mobile screen. Tap on it. Now here, you can see the default languages to translate from English to Hindi, which means whatever we type here will be translated from English to Hindi. We can tap on the arrow icon to change and make it Hindi to English. Similarly, you can carry out translations from any desired languages to the preferred language by tapping on the language drop-down arrow. For now, we will tap on Back. For instance, let us see how the translation from English to Hindi is done. You have to simply type the sentence of which you want the translation. In our case, we want to ask where is the local bus stand located. So we will type I want to know where is the local bus stand. You can see the translation below it. Tap on the translation. Yes, you can see that it has translated in Hindi. If you want, you can hear it in Hindi or read it in English. We will simply tap on the speaker icon located before the Hindi word.
मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि स्थानीय बस स्टैंड कहाँ है?
After hearing this, you can simply repeat the sentence or else you can directly read it by reading it in English. That is, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि स्थानीय बस स्टैंड कहाँ है. In this way, Google Translate helps you to learn, understand and communicate in multiple languages and connect with the world around you. The app works as a travel buddy which will help you communicate while traveling to new places. Go ahead and translate in various languages of your choice.
Google Translate conversation mode. We all know how easily Google Translate helps us understand meaning of words, sentences, and even the documents in a language we can't read or understand. But do you know it even helps you converse with a person who uses a language that you don't understand? Yes, you heard it right. This means now you can talk to a person in your language and Google Translate can translate it to the desired language for the other person. Isn't it just amazing? Well, you want to see an example? Let's get you to a small shop where a customer can speak only English and the shop owner can speak only Hindi. So now customer taps the conversation button in Google Translate and ensures that the languages for conversation are set to English and Hindi.
I want some biscuits. Which variety do you have?
मुझे कुछ बिस्कुट चाहिए, आपके पास कौन सी किस्म है?
मेरे पास कम मीठे वाले हैं, क्रीम बिस्किट है और ग्लूकोज बिस्किट भी.
I have less sweet ones, cream biscuits and glucose biscuits as well.
Please give me 2 packets of cream biscuits.
कृपया मुझे क्रीम बिस्कुट के 2 पैकेट दें.
Now, all that the customer has to do is tap on English and speak. So now the shop owner has understood what the customer is asking for. Now tapping on Hindi before shop owner answers will help the customer understand it. So did you see how easily these two have overcome the language barrier? Next time, do use Google Translate conversation mode when you find yourself stuck because of this language barrier. Sharing a YouTube video starting at a specific point. What do you do when you come across a funny video joke or a comedy skit, inspiring lecture, amazing TED talk, or a quick tasty looking recipe, or a quick fix hack for furniture? All these cases, you quickly share it with your family, friends, and people with similar interests as you. But what if the video is of a longer duration? Then there are less chances of this video being viewed. But what if I tell you there is a simplest way of sharing from the exact point where this video gets interesting? Isn't it awesome? Well then, let's get to it. For example, this is the video of a graduation ceremony featuring Stanley as a keynote speaker. I want my friend to listen to one important point in here. I'll play the video, and once I reach that perfect point, I'll pause the video, and either I can right-click over the video and click copy video URL at current time, and then share it with my friend through WhatsApp or email. Or another way of doing it is, I can click share button and check the box start at, and then copy, embed, or share it with my friend. Do try it next time while you're sharing a video. Surely you will get the quicker response for it.
Don't worry about speed and accuracy. Relax. However, always use the correct finger keystroke pattern. Speed and accuracy will develop naturally through practice once your fingers have been correctly trained. No talking. Typing requires concentration. Talking disrupts the learning process. Now it's time to expand the home row a little bit and give the index fingers and right little finger some extra responsibility. With your fingers lightly resting on the home row, you will notice that there are 2 keys in the center of the keyboard, the G and H keys. These keys are typed with the index finger closest to the corresponding key. For example, the left index finger is used to type the G key, and the right index finger is used to type the H key. Remember, once a keystroke is made, the finger should always return to its initial position on the home row. As you can see, when I type the letter G, my index finger moves slightly to the right with the rest on the G key. All of my other fingers remain in their home row position, and after G is pressed, my index finger returns to the home row. The same goes for the H key as I type it with my right index finger. Learn something new today. This activity covers inserting and deleting a cover page and inserting blank page. A cover page is inserted at the beginning of a document. It is the first page that you see in a project report or resume. The cover page can help you to make a good first impression. To insert a cover page, first click Cover Page under the Pages group. A gallery of pre-designed cover pages is displayed. Now, make your selection and click on it to insert the page in your document. This is a template with some default text. You can replace this with your own text by clicking on a section and typing the text you need. If you want to remove a cover page, you can use the Remove Current Cover Page option from the Cover Page drop-down menu. To insert a blank page anywhere in the document, click Blank Page. Remember, when you click this icon, the blank page gets inserted at the cursor point. So, ensure to place the cursor where you want to insert a blank page. You use Page Break to end the current page at a specific place and force all the remaining text onto a new page. This is a more efficient option than pressing the Enter key many times to bring text to a fresh page. To insert a page break, place the cursor at the relevant place and then click Page Break. You will notice the text after the page break moves to the next page. You can also delete a page break. First, click the Show or Hide icon from the Paragraphs group of the Home tab. This toggle switch will make the formatting marks for page breaks visible.
select the page break mark and then press the delete key from the keyboard. This is about the pages group. Here is a rundown on what you have learned. Inserting and deleting a cover page and inserting blank page. Let's see what you will be learning today. You will explore inserting tables, drawing tables, applying table styles, using table layouts, and converting text to table. Today, we will have a look at the tables group. A table is a combination of rows and columns and is used to organize information. To quickly insert a table, click the Tables drop-down. Move the cursor over the grid to select the number of rows and columns you want in the table. Now, click the last cell. You can see the table inserted. There are a few other ways to insert a table. One of these is to draw it. To do this, go to the Insert tab. From the Tables group, click the Tables drop-down and then click Draw Table. The cursor changes to a pencil shape. Now, drag it to draw the table's outline. Drag the pencil vertically to add columns or horizontally to add rows as required. Insert Table can be used when you want to insert a large table. Click Insert Table from the Tables drop-down. In the Insert Table dialog box, enter the number of rows and columns. Specify the autofit behavior and select this checkbox if you want Word to remember these dimensions. Click OK. Sometimes you might want to insert an Excel spreadsheet so that you can use the tools of Excel. Excel is a great application from Microsoft that allows you to enter data into rows and columns. It has powerful tools for organizing data. In your document, place the cursor where you want to insert the Excel spreadsheet. Click the Tables drop-down and select Excel spreadsheet. The sheet is added. When you place the cursor over the sheet and double-click, you will notice the table changes to a spreadsheet. The ribbon also changes and gets tabs specific to Excel. Quick tables are tables that are already formatted and styled for quick use and are available in the gallery. To insert such a table, click the Tables drop-down and hover the cursor over Quick Tables. Select the table from the built-in section. You can save this table with the specified format to use it again using Save Selection to Quick Tables gallery. This is about inserting a table in different ways. Sometimes you may want to organize existing text into a table without actually inserting a table. To do this, select the text. Now click the Tables drop-down and then click Convert Text to Table. In the dialog box, set the number of columns and retain other settings as is. You will notice that tabs are considered when adding text to columns. The option is selected based on the text to be converted into a table. Now click OK. You can see the text is presented as a table.